What's up, everybody? It's your boy Dallas coming to you with another YouTube video. I hope you're having a fantastic day so far. And in this video, I want to share with you 5 things you can do to improve your posting on Instagram. So before getting into it, I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below. I'll be posting more entrepreneurship, marketing, and personal development books related to this type of content. So I'd appreciate it if you subscribe. So with that being said, let's get right into it. The number one thing you want to do, this is my personal opinion from experience, to improve your quality of posting on Instagram is to identify your models. So this is basically following some brands who are much more accomplished than you are. Maybe they've been in the game a lot longer. They've got larger followings. You want to follow these people, or maybe create some form of collection where you have all these people in a group. And I find personally it actually helps to follow them. That way they come on your timeline. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be paying attention to the frequency, how often this person, this brand is posting content, what type of content they're posting as far as video, animation, photo, anything of that nature, paying attention to that. What are they writing in the caption? How are they addressing their audience? These are all things you want to pay attention to with your models, because they're going to give you clues and ideas as to which content is working well, and they're testing it on a larger scale. So if you're scrolling through their page and you're seeing, wow, this post did really, really well, chances are that that structure, you know what I'm saying, for that post, or maybe it was the offer. I don't know. You'll have to look deeper into it. But what the way I've been able to use this is I have, for example, Russell Brunson and a couple of other people that I follow who are marketers, investors, whatever, and they create some amazing content. So my goal is to go to their page and to see which content did the best, and find ways to use their structure, but add my secret sauce to make the post more relevant for my brand and the people who are following me. So that's what I would say to save you time on the brainstorming and the, what would be good to post today? What do I think? Find models, find people in your industry, your niche, who are already, well ahead of where you are right now, and look to see if they got any posts, like any ideas they can give you that you can post on your page, but not copy their stuff. Really just take it and add your own flavor to it. Sweet. So the second thing that you would want to do is you want to form like a deeper understanding of your audience and how it feels to follow your page, right? So after 30 days, what does a follower get from your page, right? Do they get just a whole bunch of, witty one-liners, some jokes? Do they get maybe like a freebie or some type of value? Do they feel like they're a part of your brand? Like, do they feel like an insider? Do they feel like they're part of a movement? Like, understanding, like creating your content so that it's not just one-dimensional, but that there's more power and more connection to it. I don't know, it's really not like a strict answer to this. It's more so just understanding that there's like a level 1 to Instagram, and that's just posting like what you think is cool, what you think, pictures of you, and like, okay, yeah, I'm living my life. And then level 2 or level 3 would be understanding that your viewers are going to view it, and they're trying to make a connection. They're trying to say like, okay, this brand is like me, this person is like me. So give them things to connect to, right? Figure out what people like who are following you, and create more content according to what they like, so that they feel like, they're really invested in your brand, and it's something that they're interested in. The third thing you want to do is get better at writing captions. Captions, I would say, make them witty, entertaining, conversational, because we're on Instagram and mostly consumers are on Instagram. I would say 2 to 3 sentence blocks. So 2 to 3 sentence line block, 2 to 3 sentence line block. That way it's easier to read, and ask more questions, get more input. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Do you agree or do you disagree? What do you think about this? Ask more questions to get your audience engaged and feel like you actually care about what they have to say. Improve your captions over time. Get better. Act like you're talking to a friend, right? A friend you haven't talked to in a while. And I use emojis as well because I feel like emojis add color and a little flair to the caption as well. The fourth thing you want to do is stay in line with your brand. Now, it is important to be posting consistently, right? But there's a difference between posting a whole bunch of random crap consistently and having different posts, you know what I'm saying, that are actually aligned with your brand. So rather than do what most people are doing and just pick random content, right? And I think that looks cool for today. Let's post it. Have a plan for your content so that each piece is assimilated, you know what I'm saying, into your greater brand message. This doesn't happen overnight. It takes a little planning, but it is entirely worth it. And the fifth thing you want to do is to use as many content types as you can. Use animations, videos, pictures, and anything else you can think of. Boomerangs as well, reels, to give your audience a variety of content that they can vibe with, and to keep them entertained. And with those 5 tips, I think you will be on your way to creating better content on Instagram. That's all I have for this video. Please give it that thumbs up. Also, give me a comment. Let me know what you think and what I could work on and post in the future. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification button so you can get updates when I post in the future. And other than that, I will be back with more. Have a wonderful day. Peace.